wanna grind, but you look better in person. Working, twerking, throw it and reverse it. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain. Curving, slurping, skirting like I'm swerving. Earn it, shorty, you deserve it.
Okay, so y'all, right now I decided to film this because you guys always want to see everything. I'm gonna show you guys my room right now. I threw out my white dresser. If you guys remember, I had a white dresser there. I like space, so I know what I gotta fix. Yesterday I had edited the settings, so I know exactly what I gotta fix right now. Once I find it. Yeah, that's just going darker. Or maybe I'm just bugging. Okay, I was just bugging. I had to be in front of the light. But okay, so right now, like I said, I threw on my white dresser that was here. I like space. I'm gonna be getting a white desk to put there, like a vanity thing. So right now, y'all, my room looks crazy. My room looks pretty crazy. We got Daisy doing her fake yoga or whatever. But everything looks crazy right now. I gotta fix something on this. The settings looks too off. There we go. So yeah, this is my closet, y'all. All of my teddy bears was up here. I'm gonna put all my clothes up there for now. My dad is coming tomorrow to put shelves in the middle, so I might film that or whatever. Right now we're watching my little bro, Zay Gambino, and you guys are gonna watch me clean my room up. So yeah.
What we do here is go back. What we do here is go back. What we do here is go back, 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 back.
Like my heart is hurting. Whoa.
You recording that?
Alright, now pick it. Now, how we gonna push it? Oh, just.
It was recording the whole time?
I was supposed to be.
Watch out, bro.
Are you doing this on YouTube?
Yeah.
Look at him.
About to be on YouTube?
Guys, talk out this.
Move! Bye!
So I'm trying to put a show on for you for the camera.
It's dying.
Go subscribe to Zay Gambino.
Do not subscribe to her channel. She's a thief. She stole all my snacks. Well, not my snacks. Me and Lily's snacks. Lily, say hi. Say hi to the camera.
What we do here is go back, 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 back.
Yeah, I will.
That's good. That's gonna be the thumbnail. Come on, let's go jump on the bed. You like?
Yeah, get out. Can you please get out?
What we do here is go back, 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 back.
video. This is my first time ever doing something like this, and y'all, I feel like I put my all into it, and you guys are gonna see what I mean when I say that. Like, y'all, I was getting the angles after angles after angles. Like I said, I put my heart into this video, so I hope you guys like this video. Also, y'all, I'm ordering a desk from Wayfair that is gonna go here. These teddy bears are not gonna be here anymore, so if you guys want a teddy bear, let me know and I'll be happy to send it to you guys. I'm trying to talk fast because my camera's on 5%. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna get a white desk to go here. It's gonna be a vanity mirror. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that yet. I'm kind of jacking it. Like, my room is giving me office vibes. Like, I love the way my room looks. It looks more mature now, except for these things right here, but we're gonna get rid of those right there. Why am I talking like that? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Did you guys peep my snack bar? Snack bar. And y'all, I got this from IKEA. You guys always ask me. This is also from IKEA. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more videos like this, let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 38K, man. Let's get it, let's go. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
You are packing the air, this gas or what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him up. Give my shorty stimulus and guns, I tell them slap for none.